Hey, what's going on, guys? I've just upgraded my phone to Android 9.0 Pie, and I have also rooted it. So now it's time to enable camera2 API to use Google Pixel 3's camera port. So here I have the setup. I'll just install it and show you it will that it's not working right now. Alright, so as you can see, it's not working. Alright, so I'll quickly go to the Play Store and search camera2 API enabler. And download the first result. Okay, I will grant the super user request and check both enable camera2 API, enable EIS, and click apply. Okay, changes have applied, and now you have to restart your device. I said yes. Alright, now the phone has restarted. As you can see, it's working now. One more thing is, please use the Gcam that I have linked in the description. If you use the Arnova's version, the focus will not work correctly in Android 9.0 on the Mi A1. So please use the link in the description to download the Pixel 3 camera port. I guess it's the BSG's version. Arnova's version is not working correctly. There are focus problem in that version. So yeah, use this version, it will work correctly. Yes, it's the BSG's mode. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you liked it. Please hit the like button if this was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.